Build me an oval.
What seems to be your problem?
Are you saying that you can beat me on the three-wheeler
While holding a root beer?
while holding a root beer?
100%.
You're on.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
In a few weeks' time, we're having a bunch of YouTubers over for the second annual Cars and Cameras Backyard 300 here at the Cars and Cameras Motorplex. In today's episode, we are going to be building an oval in the backyard for a dirt cheap yard cart, beat down, all out oval race. Rubbing is racing. So Ike has the Cars and Cameras taxi. We're going to hop in and find our track, and then our buddy Charles is going to be building it with our Kubota.
I think I figured out where we're gonna do it. I've already made a few laps. Let's see what you think of it.
Sounds good.
To the Durango!
Man, look what you did to the hood and the fender.
That was you, buddy.
Nuh-uh.
You good?
Absolutely.
I think we're good.
Seatbelt.
Oh boy, where are we going?
Oh yeah. I did my seatbelt in that J-turn. Successfully.
Nice.
But I had a helmet on, so don't worry.
You really wearing that
Yeah,
helmet?
I got a helmet on. It'll be fine.
Woo, boy.
Cooking.
Oh,
that's a hard
About to
corner.
pass it. Gotta do this again. You ready now? Oh. All right, I'm thinking this field, man.
Right here.
We got this nice spot right here. And this could be the starting line right here, man. Woo, boy. And then this turn. Boy.
Build me an oval.
Build. Got it, boss.
By the way, there is no better way to spend 350 bucks than on a 97 Durango.
Just so y'all know, we're staying above 4,000 RPM the whole time.
So the Durango is being used just to knock the grass off. We're gonna have Charles come in with a Kubota, hopefully smooth it all out, so we should have a halfway decent racing service for these cheap go-karts. Being that we're in North Carolina, we should have some good sticky clay for this race. Of course, we're gonna test it out before the end of the day's episode with some of our go-karts to see how it turned out.
It's a downhill turn.
Yeah, you're not gonna have to use the tractor at all on this thing.
No, we'll just clean it up with the tractor. It'll be nice. The hole's getting better too.
Wait for it. There it is.
Okay, maybe not.
That looks pretty good, guys.
Yeah, come along pretty good.
Dude,
Charles, I don't even know if you need to use the tractor.
I mean, I can go home. I'll clock out. I'll go home for the day. Oh, do we have a temperature? Oh, check gauge.
No oil pressure.
Oh no.
You know what?
There's no here or not. So there must be, the oil must be moving.
I'm gonna check the oil real quick, just to make sure. You know?
Oh, you gotta warm it up before you check the oil, man.
Oh, definitely.
Get a good
Definitely have it on a hill when you check it too.
Basically, we just knocked down the loose surface. You wanna do a couple more laps, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, so we're gonna knock down a little bit more of what we have going on the surface. Charles is grabbing the Kubota, and we can hopefully make a nice, smooth racetrack out of this beautiful Carolina clay for the YouTube guys we have coming over in a few weeks for our racing challenge. So we're gonna do more laps on here. Charles is gonna grab the Kubota, and I think we're gonna finish it off with a couple of test laps between me, you, and Charles, right?
Sounds good to me.
Sweet. Let's get to work.
All right.
Are you ready?
Hey.
Are you ready?
Wheelie.
1, 2, 3, go! You can do it! You can do it!
I almost had it.
What seems to be
be your problem. I got a few blemishes to take care of where I dropped the blade down a little too low. There might be a little bit of a kicker in the middle of a straightaway, so we need to take care of that. But I didn't say it was perfect. So we got a couple more days.
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, no worries.
So what do you got going on over here?
Oh, okay, so this is just some chain link fence from Lowe's, some tubing, spare tires, and some cinder blocks, of course, from Lowe's. Tires didn't come from Lowe's, but this works after we get the dirt showing all the way around. It kind of just levels it out. It takes a little bit, but I mean, it's working.
It's interesting how the track is.
Yeah, it's tilted.
It's tilted. I didn't realize how bad it was until now.
Yeah.
What we could do is we could like cut into the dirt here and kind of move it over there, or we just deal with it.
I say we do a couple test laps, see how it is.
I mean, just makes it more interesting, right?
Exactly. Do some test laps, and you know, if it needs bank, if it's fine the way it is, can tune it from there.
Yep.
All right, so we have a very rough outline of our tracks, and before we smooth it all out, we figured we would make a test. We don't have any fancy equipment for determining level of our track, so we're gonna do it the simple way. Who's got the root beer?
Got the root beer.
So Charles is gonna hop on the go-kart and hold a root beer for 3 laps, let's say.
5.
That's fine.
Five laps on this go-kart that's gonna be very similar to the ones we were riding in the race. And we're gonna see how much spills out, and then he's gonna smooth it all out and get it as nice as we can, and we're gonna run the test again and see how much better it is.
I'm also gonna time you.
All right, well, I mean, might as well get a first baseline lap, because the only thing that's been around here is the tractor and the lawnmower, so.
Hope
Well,
you're
hopefully
faster
this
than
will
that.
be faster.
Yeah. The old chicken farm go-kart. That was a fun one. Horsepower, folks.
That was 5 laps.
Oh, that was 5?
That was 5 laps.
You gonna stop them?
You want to just keep going?
Here you go, sir. That was 5 laps.
That was 6.
Oh, I did?
Yeah, you can
Okay.
let her die, man. That was not bad.
I lost my dude. Oh, my pants. There we go. We got it idles now.
All right.
Okay. Is it under a minute?
Absolutely not.
Okay, I didn't think so. All right. Like 1:45.
No. This thing actually moved a lot faster than I thought it would.
Yeah. Oh yeah. And
and-
it took the turns pretty good.
Not too bad.
One-handed.
What do you think, John?
I think it's decent.
I don't think it's too bad. So, God, I want to get on this thing so bad.
You should.
Yeah,
You want
definitely.
to?
Kind of do.
You want to do it now or after?
Man, I'll do it right now.
Yes.
All right.
See if
so
you can beat
everybody
Charles's
knows
time.
where it's at
All
before Ike gets
My
on it.
tire's going flat, so can you
Alright.
crank me up, sir?
Let's make it quick.
So we're gonna be repowering a bunch of our old yard carts with like tilts and 212, so they're gonna have more power, and plus when we get like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people out here, it is going to be insane. We do have to figure out how to water down the track because the dust is gnarly.
Are you ready? got some trash in the carburetor.
I think it does.
Yeah, because we cleaned a little bit out, but something's not right. It's not gonna spill any with that speed.
What a piece of junk. I won though.
You did. You spilled less than me.
I spilled none.
Yeah, that was the challenge, wasn't it?
Well,
Originally, yes.
It wasn't who can run the faster
I'm gonna
lap.
guess my time. 1:59.
That's pretty close. You want to know it?
Sure.
1:44.
Faster than I thought it was. You wanna go?
I'm good, dude. I'm good. I'll go when the track is smoother and we have a go-kart that runs worth something. Okay, so we don't have a very hard baseline to beat here. Charles only spilled that much root beer. So, you ready to go back to work? Smoothing out the track, and hopefully we can get a nice smooth surface, and we gotta figure out irrigation as well. So far, this track is way smoother than the ground. I mean, like, there are humps in this field that have just already been smoothed out. But for now, we're gonna be dragging the track with our chain link cinder block combo here to smooth it out a little bit more. And then we're gonna run some more lap times to see if we can beat our previous lap records with that 5-horse yard cart. Here we go. What's up, dude?
Hey, man.
So we went through the carburetor, we went through the fuel tank, and the go-kart should be running better. But more importantly, the track is smoother. We're gonna see if we can spill less root beer. Time to beat is 1:19. Good luck, man.
On your mark. Get set, go.
Woo, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh boy, it's not any better. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. We definitely need some water on the track, man. And a go-kart that runs right.
Yeah, but it's okay. But I don't see any root beer on the track or in my lap.
Oh yeah, you didn't spill any.
That's good.
But you were slower.
Yes.
Thing didn't sound right.
Mm-mm.
So you were 8 seconds slower. So you were 1:27.07.
It's the go-kart.
It's the go-kart.
We have a plan for that, though.
The track
We
did
do.
look smoother.
It still needs some time, but we're working with what we got.
So mine was a 1:44.
You want to try it?
Oh yeah.
I'll race you.
On what?
My 3-wheeler.
But you gotta hold the root beer on the 3-wheeler.
I'll hold the root beer on the 3-wheeler.
There's
Actually, that might-
no way.
I don't care. Give me that root beer.
You say? Are
Oh,
you
no.
saying that you can beat me on the 3-wheeler
While holding a root beer?
while holding a root beer?
100%.
You're on.
Charles, cameraman.
Yep. Helmet man. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no. Oh, that's unfair advantage. I broke his go-kart. Oh, I almost fell over.
3-wheeling it.
baby. Come on, baby. I know.
Oh, yeah. I don't think I'm feeling it.
Yeah, that thing's definitely down on power. Looking good.
2, 3 laps. Woo! Woo!
My racing line is help. Line number 4, line number 4.
Oh, well, he's done, but that's okay. It's a dust bowl.
Is this it? Is this the finish line?
Yeah, I think he did 6, but that's good.
That's cool. Oh, need glasses.
Yes. And an irrigation system.
What can I say, man? I got you. Your little Honda 1.5 horse.
It's Honda against Honda.
Yeah.
This thing's such a piece of junk.
It really is,
I
man.
think it's the Briggs & Stratton muffler I put on there.
No. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. We still have a little bit of work to do. Got to come up with a watering system, and we have a couple more strategies for really getting this nice and smooth. I cannot wait for the race. It's going to be epic. I think we're going to finish up this episode with a couple of hot laps on my 3-wheeler without holding a root beer. I think that'd be fun. So if you want to help support the channel, pick up one of our t-shirts or hats at Cars, like how I pointed to a helmet. Pick one of our t-shirts or hats at Cars-Cameras.com. We'll catch you next time.
Hey, check me out at Isaac, it'll be fine.
That's a workout.
Thanks for tuning in. Check us out on YouTube and Instagram.
They are on YouTube.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah. I'm new at this.
So come to find out, the Durango's fine. Just a little bit of a coolant leak.
Well, you know, not 100% sure. I mean, you did drive it last week.
I don't know what you're talking about.
And